In 3, in 2, in 1. Hey, it's Yogi Bryan. We're doing an unboxing today. Yoga mat unboxing from Big Raven Yoga. It's custom too. So I am excited to open this box up. I know what it is. I know what it is. It's just fucking yoga mat. Woo. It says Brian. Thank you so much for the wonderful collaboration. We are thrilled. I appreciate your love and support for what we are up to. I hope your new mat brings happiness to your heart. Love it. Look at that. Look at all that cool stuff. Thank you so much, Jolene. Oh, I like this bookmark too. Thank you so much. Jolene was on the Yogi Show. So you need to check out the Yogi Show episode with Jolene. I can't wait to see my mat. I like how it's wrapped up too. It's wrapped up. It says Namaste here. Ooh. Oh, I like it. It's nice. It's high quality. I can tell. Boom. It's just fucking yoga. Boom. Thank you so much, Jolene. Thank you so much, Big Raven Yoga, for the collaboration. You got to buy this mat. You got to do it. Just click and buy this mat right now. It's beautiful.